What is up, guys? Justin Mechanic. Hope you guys are doing well with this whole quarantine thing and not being able to get out of the house and stuff like that. It's just crazy times we live in right now. And speaking of crazy times, I'm not doing so well. What do I mean? Let me show you. Someone thought it would be something very nice to do to sideswipe the whole side of my car, and I'm not sure if you guys could see it. Hopefully you guys can. You can see you got some nice scratches there. They scratched the door, right where the door meets the second door or the back door. Scratch there. Some paint transfer there. And then it's actually got some dents here on the lower section. I don't know if you guys could see it. You can kind of see part of the crown right there. Hopefully you guys catch that. Then you got a little small dent here on the bottom. So yeah, and this is a 3-stage pearl paint job on this car. So yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to fix. So not only did the whole side of the door get scratched up, but the other day I was driving on the freeway. This was actually a while ago. I ended up hitting a tractor trailer tire that was on the freeway, and my daughter was sleeping in the back, and I didn't want to swerve and try to dodge the tire and then create an accident. So I just let the car take the hit, and it messed it up, man. The fog light fell out. The bumper got detached here on the corner. It broke my license plate frame here on the chrome trim. As you can see, it got separated, and a couple of the plastics on the bottom of the car got all messed up. So yeah, it took quite a hit. So anyway, we're just gonna try to take off all the black marks today in this video, and I'm gonna show you how to easily remove these ugly black marks, as you can see right there. Hopefully once the camera focuses, you're able to get a good look. It doesn't look like it blew off the paint, so I think we might have gotten a little lucky, and hopefully we can make this thing look a bit better. Like I said, it also got hit on the side. Like I said, in the parking lot, I had this parked overnight, and I didn't get to catch, you know, the license plate of whoever was parked next to me, unfortunately. So, and like I said, they generously scratched the whole side of the car and dented the door. So yeah, I don't want to go through insurance because I know the insurance is going to go up and all that. So I might as well just live with it. It's not very noticeable at all. You really have to be taking a good look at it in order to see it. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and just take care of the paint transfer. And what I'm going to be using today is, first of all, some white balls. These are some towels. Very, very durable towels. So if you're looking for a good towel brand, give these a try. These are called white balls. And they come in a box of, well, they have all different sizes. I got a much bigger box than what I really need, but these are great. They're very, very durable. They're not like any other towel that I have used. These are very, very strong, reusable, and they don't leave any lint or anything like that on the surface of your panel. So if you're getting ready to paint something, these are really, really good to have. And like I said, they're super durable and very, very strong. Something else that we're going to be using is acetone. So we're going to go ahead and use acetone. Sorry, I know you guys can't see. There you go. we're using clean strip acetone to remove all those hideous black marks and paint transfer that we got. So let me set up the camera and we'll get started. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick some acetone on a white ball towel, and basically I'm just going to pour some on the towel, and then I'm going to very lightly try to get rid of all the paint transfer that I got on the side of the car, and that should take care of most of it. Now ideally, once you use acetone, you do want to polish the car, okay? Because when you use acetone, it typically ends up removing a lot of the wax or polish or whatever you have on the surface of the paint, and you obviously want to protect that paint, so you want to obviously polish the car afterwards. But in this demonstration, I'm just solely showing you guys how to remove these hideous black marks from tires or paint transfer from another car. And yeah, it's very, very simple, very easy to do, and you can do this at home. You could also use a nail polish remover, and I've even heard of people using the Mr. Clean eraser. It works well with removing paint and paint transfer and stuff like that. So anyway, let's get started. Alright, so very quickly I'm going to show you how easily it could actually remove paint transfer. As you can see right in the middle, we got a nice black transfer mark, and I got a little bit of acetone on the edge of this white ball, and watch how easily it removes it. Now you see it? Now you don't. It's got taken care of. Very, very easily to remove. Very, very easy to remove. It removes it very, very quickly. We got a little bit more marks here and there, so I'm just going over it very lightly. You don't need to apply a lot of force to remove it. As you can see, I got a nice little black mark right there. Now it's gone. So like I said, you don't need to apply a lot of force. Very, very light strokes, and yeah, you're able to remove all this paint transfer off of your car. Like I said, I'm using acetone. This is just general purpose acetone, and it works very, very well for removing a lot of stuff. And so yeah, so anyway, we went ahead and removed all those little black marks, and that is how it looks now. You can kind of still see the dent here on the bottom. You could see the part of the crown. Well, that'll probably be for a later video, how to fix dents. Probably do some PDR videos in the near future, but for now, it's nighttime right now and I don't want to make too much noise and all that, so I'm just gonna go over a little bit on this door, and then I'm gonna hop over to the front of the car and take care of the bumper. Alrighty guys, so we are moving on to the front of the car. Sorry, my English is terrible. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and take care of these nasty looking black marks here. And like I said, I'm still using the same process. This is actually the same towel that I've been using. This is the white ball towel, and I'm telling you, they're very, very durable. So if you're looking for a good towel, especially for or paper towel for body work, try the white ball. I will probably leave a link in the description so you guys can check them out. I bought them on Amazon, but I'm sure there's other places you could find them. And well, let's go ahead and remove these nasty black marks. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my acetone, if I can open it. Like I said, you don't need much. A little bit goes a long way with this. And let's go ahead and remove those nasty black marks. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the bumper. As you can see, looks 10 times better. No more black marks. There are a little bit of marks here. Basically, when it hit, it looks like it cracked the surface of the paint, so it's got cracks, and it looks like it's got black marks in the cracks. So I could probably end up compounding that out. But like I said, it looks a whole heck of a lot better. We don't have those nasty black marks like it did before. I went ahead and did the front as well, and looks 10 times better. So yeah, very, very easy to do. Anybody could do this at home. So if you know, your wife scratched the side of the car, or you know, you end up walking to your car and you end up having these nasty black marks, you are able to easily remove them with just some acetone, a nice little towel, and yeah, some elbow grease. Anyway guys, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this video helped someone out, and as always, stay spraying guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.